So I'm going to show you our water system and break it all down. So our outdoor system for our hot water or shower is set up for rain catch in the summer. The barrel has a constant flow. I hook it straight into this water pump we just got off of Amazon, and it seems to be working really well. And then it goes up into the tankless hot water. So this I'll take back off, and I'll hook the quick connect back up to it out of our water barrel, and then up to our hot shower. Propane tank for hot shower. Pretty simple setup, works, it's efficient, and gives you a hot shower system. Again, just a summertime shower. We are going to be building on a small bathroom, hopefully before this winter. Water system setup comes from a food grade barrel. Up top we fill it, we pour all that off, and the water drains into a water pump over to a tankless hot water and back up to our water system. Simple, efficient, and just the beginning step for the next part of it. This is the power for the pump. We leave it on. It only pulls energy straight off the battery whenever we are using the water. This barrel is different. It's also rain catch. It's our overflow rain catch. So when these are full, I can just point it over here. But this water is for the wash machine. We have a different tube in here, and we hook it up to the pump. And then I have another hose that comes over, and that's a wash machine setup, off grid. Now we run the generator whenever we plug it in to do laundry, because it will pull off of our system a lot. And as you can see, I have a load to do because it's been raining for 4 weeks, so time to get on that. gonna go out with the big guys. Hang a couple things up in here. These are pillowcases. Not really sure what's going on with the washer. I have to rewash that. And then all the sheets are out. This is the first sunny day in about 2 weeks, and it's probably the 5th sunny day since spring start. It has been rainy and nasty every single day. So this is our drinking water. There is a Alaska freshwater spring not too far away that we can go fill up and use as drinking, because like I said, the rain catch can be kind of dirty. It rained last night, so we ran out of water. I'm transferring water from our outside buckets into here. Then I can do some dishes. It's supposed to rain again tonight. We haven't had to transfer water from the pond in like 5 weeks. It does nothing but rain. It's dark in there. Ice maker. And now I just put everything back together. Here's our other water pump and our filtration system. This is how we pull water out of this pond. It's a small pond. Works. We cut into it in the wintertime. There's nothing in it. I did a full test. So we don't drink it. We just use it as our backup water source. So this is the only thing I could get to grow so far. These are potatoes, about 2 different kinds. And then 2 more kinds that are sprouting a little later over here. Red onions, white onions. That's about it. The pond's right over there.